Hey guys, we are getting ready to get on the bike and head out to downtown Portland. I haven't been watching the news, but I hear we've had 51 straight nights of riot. I don't know how far we'll get in there, but I would kind of like to see what the heck's going on. You know, these people don't come out in the daylight. Hopefully we'll get some footage. We just got back from Portland. We're making a stop here at Buster's Barbecue. Claim to be Texas style, but not quite. Getting the cameras off the bikes and then we'll be headed home. Hey guys, I'm hot, I'm tired, and I'm home. It's a great day. Feeling of being on my motorcycle is the most amazing feeling ever. Here I was afraid I was gonna lose skills over that time I had to be down. And I may have a little bit, but once I'm back on that bike, it's like I never got off. So, I have a lot to say, but I'm about downtown Portland. I'm really not sure if I want to address it or not in another post because I really don't want any controversy on here, but I may. It was very, very disturbing down there. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. You guys, thanks for joining us on the ride. Please comment, please like, please share, please hit the notification button, and know that I love you and you guys matter. And believe it or not, your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions really do help me and my channel in becoming financially independent. So I appreciate it. Thank you. And you guys have a fantastic week. Talk to you soon. Bye.